Today we've partnered up with Samar to show you 4 different ways to hoop masks using Hooptech products. The first way you can do it is using a glove clamp. As you can see, there's a small slit that you can slide the backing in, which holds it in place really well, and then after that you just slide the mask on. Close the clamp and you're ready to go. The next item is a shoe clamp. We have 2 sizes, a small and large. This is the large. All you do is insert the mask and then tighten that wheel down and you're ready to sew. The next way is using our pocket clamp. As you can see, the pocket clamp is mounted on our pocket gauge. This makes for a very easy frame up. Once you have the mask in the clamp, you just tighten that little wheel down. Then we just walk over to our cap driver and click it right on. The fourth way that we can sew masks using Hooptech products is using our Slimline Clamp. This clamp has many different window sizes that would work for mask embroidery. Pictured here is the 5.5 by 3.5, but if you have the 2-inch round, the 4x4, the 3x5, all of those would work. So you have lots of different options. So as you can see, we clamp it down and pulled it nice and tight, and then it was ready to sew. It's that simple. Thanks for tuning in.